Today, we're unboxing the award-winning wire-free Arlo Pro 3 floodlight camera, designed to keep your home or business safe and secure during the day and at night. The floodlight's sleek design complements any home exterior. It's packed with the latest technology and innovative service offerings. Installation and setup is very simple. This powerful light is extremely bright, so it can illuminate your driveway or walkway when you're returning home late at night. The integrated camera delivers 2K video with HDR, which means you can zoom in on details like a license plate. It can also capture video clips in color night vision, so you can clearly distinguish the color of a car or a person's shirt, even at night. A really convenient feature is the two-way audio that allows you to communicate with people, like a delivery driver at your front door. You can also sound the built-in smart siren to ward off unwanted visitors. With wire-free flexibility and multiple power options, you can install your floodlight just about anywhere because it doesn't require a continuous power source. The long-lasting rechargeable battery is used to power your floodlight. And when you need to recharge your floodlight, use the included micro USB cable and power adapter. If you have the optional solar panel or outdoor charging cable, you can keep your unit mounted while it's being charged. And when you've selected the perfect location for your floodlight, you'll use this wall plate and screw kit for mounting. You can adjust the angle of your floodlight by loosening the grip and tightening it to lock it into place. Also included in the box is this quick start guide to get you started, along with a video monitoring decal to show everyone your home is protected by Arlo. Now that you're familiar with your Arlo Pro 3 floodlight camera, watch our how-to installation video for a step-by-step way to experience security at its brightest.